In this video, I'll show you how to navigate reports in Docusign using a simple and practical approach that helps you understand your document activity better. After logging in, head to the Reports section from your dashboard, where you'll find tools designed to track document status, user activity, and overall workflow performance. From there, open My Dashboard to view charts, summaries, and key metrics in a visual format. This makes it easier to monitor trends and identify delays or bottlenecks in your signing process. Docusign provides useful insights, but the depth of reporting may vary depending on your plan or permissions. It's a good idea to explore filters and date ranges to get more accurate data. You can also export reports for sharing or deeper analysis if needed. Regularly reviewing reports can help improve efficiency and decision-making over time. Subscribe for more honest, practical tech tutorials that help you stay in control and informed.